Hi guys, this is the Maniac here. My name is Sia. Today I want us to talk about the trend reversal using the Fibonacci's and then how to anticipate that. I'm just going to be quick. I know you guys are going to rewind and replay many a times. Okay, we're in the 4-hour chart. We are looking at the market structure. We can see this whole move started here. This whole up move started there. So what we are anticipating on 4-hour, it is this down move. Where is it going to end? This whole move. Why am I saying that? This was an accumulation, this whole point here. It was an accumulation stage there. You can see when the market did, and then we had to rush breaking that high. So this is the high I'm talking about here, where this whole thing happened. See, market went off, rushing like that. So it's going out. So this is an accumulation. So where do we place our Fibonacci? I'll remove this. So where do we place our Fibonacci? We want the last low, which is this, before they are breaking this high. The last low that happened prior to the break of this high. So there we are. Can you see that? That's the last low there. There is the last low here. Sorry about that. That's the last low here. See, I'm gonna zoom in and putting that. So let's remove this. We put our Fib. This is the lowest point to the highest point there. Can you see that? Now I'm gonna zoom. Just zoom in a little bit. It's from here to the highest point there. From here to the highest point. This is the low from you put to the price, to the high of the price. So to anticipate this down move, this whole down move. So anticipating this whole down move. Where is it connected? Can you see that? Like I always said, it's either here or there. So let's say you were a buyer here, just there. Okay, would have gone against you that, but you wouldn't buy because it came on Friday. Like I've said, I'm not a trader on Friday. I need to see what's happening. But I want to be a buyer here and I want to be a buyer there with my 35p stop. So what are we anticipating here? So with this, we can have that moving like that, and then maybe coming back down like this. So people are going to say it's a head and shoulders. So the shoulder down, comes back around this point, and then the market does what? And then the market moves. What is this? This is a bearish order block. So we might see the market running. It's a 4-hour bearish order block somewhere here. So this is application of the Fibonacci. So somewhere there, GBP/USD, we are expecting a bounce off like that. So people are gonna say it's a head and shoulder. Well, it's fine. So it must come back here and then bounce back. So we anticipating that maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, but probably Wednesday or Thursday. Sorry about that. I've got flu. So I hope you guys have seen this. Or let me do the EURUSD. Same thing. Okay, this whole rush move, this whole one, it started here to there. This whole move. Then what did it do? Retrace, drop like that. How to find where the market is gonna turn? Here. This is a high. This was sort of an accumulation. See that? Sort of accumulation. We find the high. Highest point. it's gonna be that one. What did they do? Quick rushing candles. Can you see that? Quick rushing candles. Where's the last low before they did that? So this is the last low. I'm still gonna zoom in to the price up there. Okay, let me remove this and all of that. Delete. Can you see? Let me be accurate, but I'm sure you get the point. You see that? We'll market it to 10. Can you see? I'm a buyer there. I wasn't gonna buy on Wednesday. So what can I expect here? Let me zoom in so you guys can see what to expect here. What you can expect, can you see that here? See this whole move in here, here. It's not supposed to resist. I'm just showing you the price. Where the price been trading. It's something else. So it's gonna be just that. And can you see it's what? It's near the institutional figure, like the 200 and what, because there's a 200 there. So expecting a bounce there, and then market might, if it happens, might come there first, might come there, but on 4 hour, this is a what? This is a very short of block. Now this is a very short of block. So either way, comes back there to the first entry, it moves up like that, or it just here, come back, tap in somewhere there and moves up. Let me see if do we have a 500 level. Yes, we have it. We have it here, 500. So we come back to the 500 just there. See, what is that? Either way, it's that's what I'm talking about. I hope you're picking up that. So it can do this one, comes back to the first entry, or goes up here, where was the 200? It comes back to the 50 level, which is here. Yeah, put on 50 level, which is this one. Can you see that? 5000. It could come there or there, and then moves up. Easy like that. So now we want to take the buying of this. We want to take the buying of that. So I hope it's simple enough, and I hope you've enjoyed. Yeah, my name is the Maniac. You can check me on Facebook. I hope you guys find something with this. It's the Fibonacci, how to anticipate the moves. So remember, in anticipating the moves, we want the high that was broken, and then there must be this quick rushing candle like this, boom, and then you want the last low that happened, last low retracement before they break this. So it's that one, and you find a high. So where can you start placing your Fibonacci while you haven't found all this? It can't be just here. This is the high. Can you see that? This is the high. This is the high. Market broke that. It went down. It broke this high. Broke this high again. Can you see that? Then you start saying, okay, we're going down now. Boom, 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 boom. Take your trade there. Your profits, I'm sorry. That's what is happening. So I just shared this information with you for free, guys. Huh? So share it with the other guys, and yeah, have a blessed trading this week. There's more to be done, more pips. Good luck.